In waste hides all the problems. And in the last session, actually, I had covered this briefly. In the value stream map, you will find that inventory manifests itself in the form of waste. Waste manifests itself in the form of inventory. Sorry, the reverse way. Waste will manifest in the form of inventory. All of you, please take notes. Waste manifest itself in the form of inventory. Okay, this is a statement I'm making. It's not given in the books. Okay, if you write this quote, you can put my name on. Okay, the waste manifests in the form of inventory. Now, if you are going on a boat in water, this water is synonymous to, comparable to inventory. And if the water level is high, then you can smoothly travel in the boat. Now, there are rocks below the water, which I call inefficiencies. So I said inefficiencies manifest in the form of inventories. Waste manifest, inefficiencies are waste. Okay. Inefficiencies manifest itself in the form of poor scheduling is an inefficiency. Long transportation is an inefficiency. Quality related problems, communication problems, supply problems. You can type whatever problems that you face in your workplace, which ultimately manifests in the form of inventory. I'll prove that to you. Okay, lack of housekeeping, absenteeism, line balancing, long setup times. We are very clear long setup times will manifest in the form of inventory because we do overproduction. Line balancing, one produces at a fast pace, one produces at the slow pace. If there is an imbalance, then it will result in inventory and so on and so forth. Relate to what I'm saying. Inefficiency can manifest itself in the form of inventory. So this is a sea of waste. Yeah, you can put anything. I had only a few rocks. I put a few things. You add anything that you want that you can relate to your company. Now, once the water level is reduced, there are two options you have. That is, once you reduce inventory, what happens when we reduce inventory? What happens when you reduce inventory? What happens when you reduce this water? It will expose the rock. Similarly, when you reduce inventory, it will expose a problem. It will expose a machine problem. It will expose a planning problem. It will expose the machine-related problems, the manpower-related problems. It will expose the problems, right? So there are two things people can do. One is to safeguard against the inefficiencies. You can, option number one, you can again increase inventory, that is produce more whenever you have time and keep it, or you remove that inefficiency. Option number two. Option number two is work on the inefficiencies. Whatever is inefficient, try to eliminate that inefficiency. Option number two, or option number one, increase the inventory, produce more.